Class 9th students, it is exercise 9.1. As our topic is areas of parallelograms and triangles. Question number 2 is, if E, F, G and H are respectively midpoints of a parallelogram ABCD. You see that a parallelogram ABCD is given. ABCD. E is midpoint of side AB. F is midpoint of BC. And G is midpoint of side CD. And H is midpoint of side AD. You have to show that EFGH is also a parallel. EFGH area EFGH parallelogram is equal to 1/2 area ABCD. आपको you have to prove that area of parallelogram EFGH is half of area of ABCD. इसमें क्या बेटा, since ABCD it is a parallelogram, its opposite sides are equal. This means AB parallel CD and AB is equal to CD. BC is equal to AD. E is midpoint of AB, F is midpoint of BC, G is midpoint of CD, and H is midpoint of AD. Let us construct here. If we join this GE, if you join GE, by joining GE, we have AB is equal to CD. आपको ये पता है, AB is equal to CD because opposite sides of parallelogram are always equal. AB is equal to CD. अपोजिट साइड का पैरेललोग्राम अगर आप लिखेंगे, इसमें अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. नाउ इफ AB is equal to CD but E is midpoint, then 1/2 of AB is equal to 1/2 of CD. आप खुद देखें, what is 1/2 of AB? It is AE or EB. 1/2 of CD, it is DG or CG. That is AE is equal to DG. A is equal to DG. But AE is also parallel DG. AE is parallel DG. A is equal to AE. AE is equal to DG, but AE is parallel to DG as AB is parallel DG. जैसे कि AB parallel, AB is equal to DC, AE is equal to DG, AE parallel DC, AE parallel DG. इसमें अब आप देखिए, इन AEG, आप देखिए AEGD, ये portion this, because the AG divided it into two equal parts. This is also a parallelogram AG. In AEGD we have EG parallel, EG is parallel, EG parallel AD, EG is parallel AD, AE is parallel DG, then AEGD is a parallelogram. Therefore AEGD is a parallelogram. तो ये भी एक parallelogram है, इसके opposite sides these are equal, then it is a parallelogram. H E G. H E G is a triangle. And parallelogram A G D. ये आप क्या देखेंगे? H E G, this triangle. And parallelogram A E G D are on the same base and between the same parallels. Parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallels. When a triangle, parallelogram, when a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between same parallels, area of triangle is 1/2 area of parallelogram, because the area of this triangle EGH is 1/2 area of AEGD. क्यों? These are on the same base and between the same parallels. जैसे कि आपको कल मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन में ही वो बताया. फिर मैं आपको we have joined GE, और we also know from question हमें information है कि E is parallel, E is midpoint of AB. Then AE is equal to EB or DG is equal to CG. But AB is parallel DC. Then AE is parallel DG. And GE is parallel AD. Therefore, AEDG is a parallelogram. But there is also a triangle in this parallelogram here. जैसे कि मैं आपको रेड से थोड़ा सा आपको इसको मार्क करूंगा. Here, this triangle. This triangle EGH and parallelogram AEGD are on the same base and between same parallels. Therefore, area triangle. तो क्या लिखेंगे? एरिया ट्रायंगल HEG is equal to 1/2 area parallelogram AEGD, because these lie on same base G, and between the same parallel AE and DG. So we from this side of this parallelogram. Now triangle EFG, this two triangles. Triangle EFG and parallelogram EBCG. Triangle EBCG, BEGC and triangle EFG are on the same base between the same parallel. Again, it is same base EG. Therefore, area, तो हम यहां इस तरह लिखेंगे. Similarly, इस तरह हम लिखेंगे similarly area FGE is equal to 1/2 area BEGC या BCGE, because these are on the same base and same parallel. The area HEG is 1/2 area AEGH. First case and second case में area EFG is 1/2 of area EBCG. When we add these two, we get area. We get area triangle HEG plus area triangle FGE is equal to one half area this parallelogram, one half area parallelogram AEGD plus one half area BG, इसका BCGE. By adding we have this. These two triangles, when we add these two triangles form parallelogram EFGH, and these two parallelograms are area ABCD. Sum of these two triangles form a parallelogram EFGH, and sum of these two parallelograms form a parallelogram ABCD. Therefore, area EFGH is equal to one half area ABCD. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है, ज्यादा मुश्किल क्वेश्चन जो आपको प्रूव करना है, you have proved this. Considering figure, when we consider figure, we can a parallelogram ABCD is given to you. EFGH are midpoints of sides EAB, BC, CD, and DA. In parallelogram ABC, AB is equal to DC or AB parallel DC. इसी तरह BC parallel AD. We have joined G and E. By joining G and E, we divided this parallelogram into two parallelograms. That is AEGD and BCGE. Triangle EHG and parallelogram AEGD are on the same base GE and between the same parallels. अब खुद ही देखिए, जैसे आपको from figure we know this. Triangle and parallelogram on the same base. When a triangle and parallelogram are on the same base, the area of triangle is equal to one half area of parallelogram. That is, area EGH is equal to half of area EGD. इसका आप फर्स्ट कह सकते हैं, और इस तरह triangle EFG and parallelogram EBCG are on the same base. जैसे आपकी मर्जी है, इस तरह आप लेंगे. Therefore, area triangle EFG is equal to half of area parallelogram EBCG. When we add these, the area of these two triangles on adding make a parallelogram EFGH. One half of this and one half of this, when we add these two halves, we will get a parallelogram ABCD. So we have proved this. Area EFGH, parallelogram EFGH is equal to one half area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, this was the question number 2, and question number 3 is also given here. आप अपने बुक से वो क्वेश्चन, वो ये भी सेम ही पैटर्न का इसी तरह का है, और यही तरीका है, यही है कि जैसे हमारा टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन इज एरियाज ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स एंड पैरेललोग्राम्स, एरिया पैरेललोग्राम्स एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. तो ये आप करेंगे इंशाल्लाह खुद. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 तो हम आगे इंशाल्लाह होप यू विल बी क्वाइट ओके एंड अपनी पढ़ाई की तरफ ध्यान देंगे और अपना भी ख्याल रखेंगे. थैंक यू.